I've had a fabulous Wednesday with some of my one to one private coaching clients. For those of you who are new here, which there are many, I wanted to just re explain to you all how my one to one coaching services work. So essentially, I teach in ballet, jazz, contemporary, flexibility, mobility, and strength training, all geared around dance and bettering your specific goals. So, if you are someone who has never danced before, I will obviously tailor my coaching to really hone in on what you need from the session. So, the pace will be slower, the work will be way more detailed and intricate, and a lot of questions from my client and making sure they really fully understand everything before we move on to the next thing. If you're someone who has some experience in dance, I still like to get that magnifying glass out and really assess all the details, but we can move at a slightly faster pace depending on your level and your experience and knowledge. So I wanted to put it out there for those of you who are watching, who love dance, who are passionate about dance, who maybe feel like they missed the boat in training. Please throw that thought away and imagine this: you starting dance and discovering you're actually way more able than you gave yourself credit for. You discover the passion and love that dance can bring into your life. And it really is something that you can fall into and love how it makes you feel in every single way. And who knows, maybe in the process you'll really find a passion for dance. If this sounds like something you have thought about and you're sitting on that fence, please check out my ballet Kickstarter program, which I run throughout the year when I have the time and availability to commit to my fabulous £1 for 1 month clients. So essentially, I have an application form, which you can see here. You fill it in, you answer all the questions and give me the information I need. And then if you're right for my program, then I will reach out to you and I will let you know. And then from there, we'll book in your first session. And yes, you are correct. It is £1 for 1 whole month of coaching with me. And the value in that is that you get to kickstart your dance dreams, your dance goals, and have a real plan of how to achieve them with me. This program works really well. Every client I've had on it absolutely flies. And yeah, it's just a really great way for you to get a lot out of your training. If this sounds like you, apply here. Do not miss out.